First open your Illustrator. Now I'm gonna take my font. Happy take a new font. You can take any kind of your font. Now I'm going to take this corner of my output. Now I have to change this to a stroke. Now I'm gonna take a line. I'm gonna make it change. So first I need to go effect and go to the sword. Now I have to go zigzag, so I will take 7 pixel. Now point smooth. Now press OK. So make this stroke to 7 pt. Now I have to change the shape. It's all okay. Now I have to make some copy of it. Now I'm going to give some color on it. Now I have to again go to object and make it expand. Again object and expand. After that I have to go blend option and 8. Again I have to go object and make it blend. Now I have to make it curve, so follow me how I make this curve. I'm gonna give this line tool black. So I'm going to object, blend option and lift the spine. Now it's curved now. So now I'm gonna to add this shape to my font. I'm gonna take the font middle of it and making it bigger, and I have to arrange it to bring font. I have to make clipping marks. Okay, clipping marks. Okay, now you can take any kind of font, any kind of color. It's just dependent on you. I just make it with you can make it with your brand name. Now I'm going to, that's my video. If you like it, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.